This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below. How you doing, guys? It is August 25th, Sunday afternoon, and we're going to do another drawing for a giveaway. It's going to be for a digital adjustable torque wrench. Yellow Jacket is the make. It's for mini splits. When you install a mini split, you're supposed to torque, the nuts down to certain specifications. And I did write down here from Fujitsu, what they recommend the torque specs for Fujitsu. Quarter inch is 16 to 18 pounds. The 3/8 is 32 to 42 pounds. Half inch would be 49 to 61 pounds. And 5/8 is 63 to 75 pounds. Now, if you're putting in a different type of brand, you should look up factory specifications. But this is what this torque wrench is for the mini splits. Okay? And it's a digital adjustable torque wrench from Yellow Jacket. I did do a little layout on my counter over there, and we're going to put that, with a video together. Alright, guys, it's going to be the next giveaway we got going on here. Let's see what they sent me. Value Testers sent this to me for a giveaway for my subscribers. Basically, it's a torque wrench for the mini splits. Yellow Jacket. Digital adjustable torque wrench. The mini split, you should be torquing the nuts down per specifications of the unit you're putting in. Digital torque wrench, Yellow Jacket. Comes with a little screwdriver so you can change the batteries. Comes with a set of batteries. Nice little carry case. Very nice. Well, I'm not going to put the batteries in it or nothing, but nice little setup. There you go. Sponsored by Value Testers. Value Testers is the one that's sponsoring this giveaway. They're sending this stuff to me to give away to my subscribers, so they have a chance to win, which is very nice of them. I mean, they don't have to do that, and they're also paying for the shipping for the item. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna leave a. Basically, what's gonna happen is you're gonna leave a comment on this video, and in the comment you have to say Value Testers Yellow Jacket torque wrench. So that has to be in the comment that you leave to be eligible to win. Let me say that again. Leave a comment down below. Value Testers Yellow Jacket torque wrench. Okay. You must be a U.S. resident only for shipping purposes. Canada and in the U.K. and whatnot. It's very expensive to ship. I'm gonna run this video for 1 week. And then I'm going to pick a winner from the comment section. And the winner will have to respond with the winning channel. And what I usually do is I have them leave a partial address, and then I'll give you my email address, and he'll have to respond within 4 days, and then I'll give the information. He'll have to give me his information to my email as far as name, address, phone number. and I'll get that information over to value testers, and they'll print out the packing label for me, and we'll ship it out. All right, guys. Hopefully, you guys win. It's gonna. I'm not gonna release this till later on Sunday night. So usually I run it for 1 week, and then we'll pick the winner. Usually I get like 800 comments on the videos. So, but that's what he sent me. All right, guys. Good luck, and hopefully you win.